Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the Tableau Introduction. So with these tutorials you will be able to understand what are dashboards, how to tell a story using dashboards, and what are the advanced features such as calculated fields, parameters and hierarchies. You'll be able to create analysis using line charts, stack bar charts, or you can have an geographic analysis using maps. Apart from these, we will be discussing how data visualization can be used to aid in analysis. We should be using most appropriate charts, and we'll be using the best practices of the color scheme. So let's start it. So when you open the tab where you can connect to the various data sources, you can connect directly to the Tableau server, or you can directly import data from the Excel or text or JSON PDF. There are many more ways to fetch a data from file, and you can directly connect to the server as well. So here just for an explanation, we will be using the sample superstore data, and let's try to understand the first Tableau interface. So when you go to hover over these files, you can see the various options. What is the save option, and what are the data sources that you can pick it up, and these what are the worksheets, dashboard. The dashboards and over these some of the options are grayed out since you are not in the dashboard, so these options are grayed out, and the different analysis, map, format, all these options are there. I'll recommend to go through each of them and get acquainted with the Tableau. And here you will get in this pane, left hand side pane, you will find what is the data that you are referring to. We are using the data superstore, and the dimensions and measures you can see here. We will be discussing what are the major difference between dimension and measure in the upcoming tutorial sessions. You'll find sets and parameters over here if there is any, and the same way you have your column pane, row pane, and whatever table graph will be created over in the sheet. So you can have your pages, you can have additional filters apart from that, and the marks card is also there, which is very powerful. It has it basically adds another dimensions to your sheet. So if you want to use a chart, you can have only 2 dimensions, but when you are using the Tableau, you can have 5 dimensions. You can add 5 dimensions to your sheet and to your graphs. We'll take one. Okay, so let's say what are the sales. I can put it here, sales, and I want to see how it was done as per your order. As per your order date, what all was the sales. So one is it will suggest on its own, but you can always change as per the line graph or anything that you want. You think that dashboard, you can always change it. So let's say I want to add one more dimension to it. I want to see as per the segments. I want to see here, so I can see that these segments, consumer, corporate, home, office is there, and I can also, so this text I can add here. I can see. So this is how you have created one sample sheet. Okay, and so you can have additional analysis on your sample sheet. So Tableau has this feature wherein it gives you an additional analysis that it computes on its own. So for example, I want to see that what is the forecast. So it will give me an option of forecast. It will give, cool is that you can always undo a lot of undos are there. I mean, you can do undos as many times as you want. So if any point of time you feel that anything has gone wrong, you can undo it. And I'm saying so because in the this Tableau has an in the backend, it is basically creating in SQL queries for you with SQL queries. It gets very picky, and so in that case undo will help you. And let's go on to the dashboard now. So let's say I want to create one dashboard here. So in the dashboard, whatever sheets we have created, it will be available in the sheets section. And it's pretty cool that you can add your sheets, you can add your additional sheets as well, and you can choose on what kind of view you want, and we will discuss all these things in very detail. And sometimes it happens that the dashboard might not be enough for you. You want to create a complete story out of your analysis, so you might need few dashboards that also you wanted to include, and there's some sheets that you wanted to include here. So all and so we'll understand how to create a story and what is the best way to represent to your leadership team. All these things we will discuss. So stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel, and we'll be discussing each and every topic in detail in next tutorial. Thank you very much.